Okay, hi, this is the guy. I'm making a video for you to make a video for this guy because I just started emailing it and it took way too long. So this guy is that live chat you forwarded me, Amanda got back to. He is currently with Sponsored Links, I think it's called. SEO is doing it for 6 months. I said I run him through SEMrush and Majestic SEO to see what they're doing. He's not happy, he's saying that maybe it's just because he's not spending enough. He was quite shy with the money, and then I looked into his AdWords account, so he's probably not spending enough. But they're also doing funny things. So Block is actually, he's writing this, but Serviced Area, he's servicing the whole of Sydney. So Sponsored Links, they have created these 6 topics, which means no one in Manly or wherever ever want to will call him because they think it's not servicing him. So they did this. He's not happy with it. I'm not happy with it. So maybe say that as well if you have a look at this. I've also asked him, by the way, to do our Wi-Fi if I can't get a hold of Adam. I've also emailed Adam today. Apart from that, website is good. I looked for everything else. But if you do the SEO review, just tell him why he's not spending enough money or what Sponsored Links is doing, because I'm thinking they're usually doing a fairly good job. But after I spoke to him, I said, I can't give you a quote on SEO because I actually don't know if it's your best option. So we need a bit of a competitive analysis and tell him what's best or not. And he's like, actually, that's exactly what I want. I just want somebody to tell me what to do and do a strategy with me. Because I don't know, and I don't want to risk it and just guessing what I should be doing. And I asked him, have you ever done AdWords? He was like, yeah, it was a huge waste of money. Didn't get anything out of it. Looked into his campaign. Sorry, he's only run from July last year until August, or yeah, September, so 2 or 3 months, and only spent $1,700 or $1,200. Got 2 conversions at $500, $600 each, which should be all right. To start with, but it's just not enough money. And he just said, just be honest with me. And I say, I will. You're probably not spending enough money. But he has to understand it. He's quite techy. He's an IT company person. And I think he would probably be happy spending more if he can make a point out of it. I looked through here. I still can't quite do it myself, especially because I mean, what's this anyway? I could see with an average cost per click $7 and having a budget of $5 a day, doesn't really make sense. I've also said to him, looking at his website, it's like, why are you different? And he's like, yeah, that's a good question. Do better service or something. But maybe also talk to him, if we do the strategy, we also have to get a USP in here. So for example, we do after hour call out, you can call us anytime. Have a computer problem, we can help you. It's really not that interesting. So it has to be something faster quote, faster answer, always answer the phone, whatever it may be. He didn't let me talk much. He just wanted me to do this. So maybe just include it into your thingy, into your review. What else was there? Yeah, and I reckon AdWords, because people probably are searching for that. But can you remember that we had Navid and Paraflare, and I think they're doing the same stuff, and we couldn't make it work for them. So I'm not quite sure what the secret here is. But I mean, with AdWords, 2 conversions for $600, that's a pretty good start. I reckon, I mean, if you can get that, and we just get the website a little bit cleaned up, that should be fine. But anyway, I told him SEO, he's spending a lot of money with Sponsored Links and not a lot of money, I'm guessing. Can you please have a look into SEMrush and keywords they're targeting and tell them that they shouldn't be doing this? Stupid. Okay, thanks.